Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it's me again. Thank you for watching this analysis, and we are analyzing AVAX Avalanche on a daily chart on a short-term basis. I will give you the direction of the market, I will give you the targets and my thoughts. Is a retracement over or more to come? So, daily chart of Avalanche. I think AVAX is trying to deceive us. I think AVAX is trying to say, I'm done retracing, but no, you can't fool me. There is still a possibility that AVAX is not done with retracing. Let's jump in, zoom in pretty hard to the fullest and start talking about what I've had to say. This is the direction of the market. You can see this is the band, and currently those moving averages are going flat. Now, here's the tricky part. Here's the part where AVAX is trying to deceive us and say that it is done retracing. You can see that AVAX is above this band of 21 days of moving averages, exponential and simple moving averages. That said, when the price is above the band, it's a bullish sign, but AVAX is behaving pretty weak above that supportive zone. And I'm talking about the zone where the price is today, $34. What's weak about it? Let's analyze it. Here, on the day of the breakout, you can see a bigger volume. Okay, it's all good. Then a retracement to retest it before making a new move to the upside. But what AVAX did is try to have one more pull to the upside with a weaker volume. So the volume is falling, but the price is kind of going up. So this is where technical analysis is getting kind of sketchy, because yeah, technically we did make a move to the upside and made this band our support. If we were below it like anywhere here, that would be clear bearishness. Here, the price is trying to deceive us, in my opinion. It is doing this, but volume is doing this, and this small pump took all back in 1, 2, 3, 4 days. 4 last days, we took all back. So this is very weak price action in my opinion. And I would be surprised if AVAX holds support at $34. I believe it will break that support. Yeah, bold claims, but I just gotta speak my opinion. This is not financial advice, this is just how I see charts, and maybe some of you will find value in it, okay? The good thing is, what I like about this price of moving is that exponential is above the simple one, and that is an early indication of an upside potential. So maybe I'm wrong. Maybe we move somewhere here and go to the upside, you know? But I gotta speak the truth and what I feel at this moment, what the chart is showing me. This is not looking convincing, and this is giving me bearish vibes. In the short term, of course. Now in the long term we will discuss that. So my presumption is AVAX is going to the lower levels. We will discuss those levels. But first, let me remove this moving average. Let me zoom out and show you one final clue. Excellent. You see, something happened here in this region. This was the high of Christmas time. And if we connect this with this point, we are getting a broken trend line, a broken downtrend. So yeah, AVAX could be onto something, but finding it pretty weak in resolution of this. What I mean by that, we broke the downtrend here. But who's to say that AVAX is not about to retest that trend line one more time? And that would give us a pretty hard fall to fall into this region, at least retesting those lows that we had at $27 or even worse. So in long term that would still be a bullish scenario, because if we zoom out to somewhere around this region, try to capture the whole impulsive move to the upside and get the retracement, yeah, this could be a little bullish than I previously thought. Now what do I mean by that? All of this is just impulsive move to the upside, and this is, well, let's say it's a retracement, considering that we are forming a bull flag. A bull flag being this. See it? Yes, you do. They broke out of it. But as I said at the beginning of this video, those bearish vibes could be showing us that we need to retest that area one more time before making a swoosh to the upside. I know this is not popular things to say, but in the short term AVAX is bearish, and I will stand by it, because in the last week this kind of price action is not giving me some confidence. Okay, now I told you we could retest these lows before going to the higher grounds, but we could go even lower and still have some better scenario with another pattern that wouldn't be anymore this flag. What am I talking about? Clean picture. It's fine and dandy. No volume. Don't need it for this calculation. Of course, Fibonacci, combining October lows with Christmas highs. Okay, friends. Now, where are we seeing this? I mean, where are we seeing here? Sorry for the bad English. It's not my first language. You're seeing something that I'm not particularly fond of. You're seeing that we retraced to 23.6%, this line that is giving us support, trying to go to 38.2 but still not managed to do it. I would like to see AVAX retrace into this box. Yes, it's a bigger box, but I would like to see the price touch it. 38.2, 50% of 61%. You can see this hurdle where the price stole a little bit. I would like for the price to go into that area, retest it, and then continue to the upside. By this price of behavior, I will be confident that now weekends are out in the short term and we are ready for the new move to the upside. This vibe is not giving me that much of a confidence. Sure, we can consolidate more above this region of 23.6, but this is not something I'm fond of. Secondly, I used a double whammy, okay? Bodies in the wicks, bodies in the wicks. What am I getting by this? I'm getting lower targets that could be realized in the coming days before new highs. Okay, maybe you are in the camp that that level of 23.6% is enough. I got it. You could be completely right. I could be completely wrong. There you go. $32. Current support. Support's here, support here. Here we dropped, but not enough. I would like to see a deeper correction. But what I'm about to say is that more probable is that we go to 38.2% zone and that $25 is the real bottom. But ideally, I would like to see this hurdle. Yeah, you're seeing it right. This place where the price stalled become our support. We're talking about a 50% retracement. I think I'm getting too bold here, even for my own good. Ladies and gentlemen, what I'm saying is that not even 32 isn't the bottom. That 25 could be the bottom, but even probable is that $20 is the real deal. Yes, at the point of you staying at $34, that's what I'm saying. $20 could be realized. And that would be, in my opinion, the ultimate buy zone. We can talk about 61.8% retracement, but is that problem from this point? Yeah, some black swan event could even pull us down to $16, but I think this is enough for now. I think $20, even 25 could be enough stress from this point. Could I be completely wrong? Yes, I could. Well, if I'm wrong, then you're on the horse. I mean, if I'm wrong, we are going to $48. What's bad about it? So it's win-win situation. All I'm saying is AVAX is behaving bullish lately, but super lately, last 4 days, this is not that bullish price action, and I don't feel convinced that we can hold these levels on $32. If AVAX convince me that 34 on my band, that 32 is enough of support, cool, we're going back to 48. Until then, my prediction will be pretty clear. Next target after we break 32 again will be 25, and if we get drained and people got into extreme fear, we are going into $20 because this is Fibonacci level of 50%, because this is the hurdle that we had in November of last year, So a lot of price battles at these levels. This is a short-term analysis. Factually, we are above the band. Factually, we broke the downtrend. But always take measures of precaution, because always I am warning you, lower levels that I just gave you could be realized much sooner than you think, and this dinosaur could be roaring much harder than you ever expected.